So I'm here in Nakhon Si Thammarat at this great chicken place. If you get to Nakhon Si Thammarat, you have to look them up. I can't exactly give you the address, but I can tell you it's great fried chicken. It's been here for over 40 years. It's a family business. Great stuff. Check it out when you're here in town. Originally, I thought these were just chicken necks, but in all actuality, it's the whole chicken neck and the head minus the beak. Utilizing the whole chicken. Breast. Just to let you know how popular these guys are, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. They've been open up for 4 hours and they're almost sold out. If you want to find them, you can look for this sign or look for this building, and they're just on the other side of the street. Since I don't speak Thai and I can't read the signs, I can't tell you exactly the name or where it is, but it is in Nakhon Si Thammarat, and it's a really, really popular chicken place. Until next time, I'm Jeff saying bye-bye, bon appetit, and enjoy.